Hello students, today we will study chapter 2 of English grammar, that is naming words. In this chapter we will learn what are naming words, what are the different kinds of naming words and how to write them. So let's start with the definition of naming words. What are naming words? A naming word is a word for a person, place, thing or an animal. Everything we see or talk about is represented by a word that names it. That naming word is also called a noun. So, naming word is a name of a person, place, thing or animal. यानी कि नेमिंग वर्ड किसी एक पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग या एक एनिमल का नेम है और जो भी चीज़ हम देखते हैं या जिसके बारे में बात करते हैं उसका कोई एक पर्टिकुलर नेम होता है, उस वर्ड को हम नेमिंग वर्ड कहते हैं. सपोज आप किसी एक बुक के बारे में बात करते हैं, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ बुक, so that book is also a naming word. Let's have some more examples like tree, orange, home and boy. So these all are the examples of naming words. Now types of naming words or noun. So there are different types of naming words or nouns, but we'll study only common noun and special noun. So number 1, common noun. What is common noun? So the names we use to talk about a person, animal, place or thing in general are called common names. जब हम किसी पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग या एनिमल के ग्रुप के बारे में बात करते हैं तो वो कॉमन नेम होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कार, इट कैन बी एनी कार. वी हैव नॉट टेकन एनी पर्टिकुलर नेम. हमने कोई एक पर्टिकुलर नेम नहीं लिया है, हमने सिर्फ बोला कार. अब कार तो कोई भी हो सकती है, इट कैन बी एनी कार. और व्हेन वी से students, then it can be any of the students, student of class 1, students of class 2, any students. So that we are talking in journal. हम journal students के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, उनके ग्रुप के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो that is common noun. Now what is special name or special noun? So every person is given a special name which is his or her own. हर एक पर्सन को, हर एक एनिमल को या प्लेस को उनका एक स्पेशल नेम दिया गया है जो उनका वो खुद का है, तो दैट इज स्पेशल नेम. सपोज योर नेम इज अ स्पेशल नेम. आपको एक पर्टिकुलर नेम दिया गया है. अब व्हेन योर ममा कॉल्स यू, शी कॉल्स बाय योर नेम. And when we talk about animals, so animals they also have special names, like you have given a name to your dog, pet dog Rocky. आपने अपने डॉग का नेम रॉकी रखा हुआ है, तो he is also having a special name. And the name of a place like Bareilly, we live in Bareilly, it is a special name. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and January, Republic Day, they all are special names. They all are having their special names which is their own, जो उनका खुद का है, तो that is a special name. Now as we have understood what are naming words and what is a common name, what is a special name, so let's start with the exercise. Number 1 is name these things. We have to name these things. As you can see, there are certain pictures and we have to write the name of the things. First one is already done for you. As you can see, it is written a ball. Now the second one is the picture of, yes, a bat. So we'll write a bat. Now this is a picture of a box. So we'll write a box. Now the second one, name these people. What we have to do, we have to name these people. As you can see, the first picture, it is of a doctor and it is written here a doctor. Now the second picture is of a girl. So we'll write a girl. A girl. Now this picture is of a boy. So we'll write a boy. So that's it. I hope you all have understood what are naming words, and we will be doing the other exercises in our next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Bye bye.